Halo, kali ini saya akan membahas tentang aplikasi
LinkedIn Learning.
Pertama, buka browser Anda dan ketik.
LinkedIn Learning.
Akan muncul tampilan seperti ini. Jika Anda sudah login di LinkedIn di browser, LinkedIn Learning Anda akan otomatis terhubung ke akun Anda. Saya akan mencari Instructional Design. Akan muncul hasil pencarian. Saya akan mencoba Start My Fremont. Akan beralih ke pilihan paket, klik bulanan. Masuk ke laman pembayaran. Isi data. Dan klik review pembelian. Baca bagian review pembelian dengan seksama. Kemudian klik uji coba gratis. Setelah berhasil, pilih topik yang diminati. Klik continue. Di laman ini, cari di kolom pencarian seperti sebelumnya. Gunakan filter agar mempermudah pencarian. Baiklah, course akan
Hi, my name is
terbuka.
Jeff Toyster. Welcome to Adult Learners, part of the Instructional Design Essential Series. In this course, we'll explore the fundamental principles of adult learning. I'll show you how to use these principles to design impactful training programs. The adult learning principles we'll cover are based on industry standards, proven best practices, and my own experience as a certified learning and performance professional who has spent more than 20 years designing training programs. This course has three major focus areas. First, I'll introduce you. Here are two terms that every instructional designer should know: andragogy and pedagogy. Andragogy is the process of helping adults learn. Pedagogy is the process of teaching, particularly children.
Selamat mencoba.